glimpse of poise. Graduation last year, grade 12.
Please be seated for the liturgy of the word.
Ava Julianne M. Feely, with honors, first semester. Silver L, fourth quarter. Eliza Faith, fourth quarter. ICT Dumangkas, with honors, first semester. Silver L, fourth quarter. Jed Marco M. Joshua N. Emura, achievement, fourth quarter. Gold, Noxea B. Leon Mage M. Garget, with honors, first semester. Gold L, fourth quarter. Patricia Loreen L. Garget, with honors. Shem Rose B. Gavite, with honors, first semester. Best in Capstone Project, Medical Science and Health Class B. Wanga. Achievement, third quarter. Achievement, fourth quarter. First semester, Silver L, fourth quarter. Saihiro S.E. Uche, with high honors, first semester. Gold L, fourth quarter. Mars Daniel Icolimos, with honors, first semester. Ethan Josh B. with high honors, first semester. Gold L, third quarter. Lorraine G. semester. Organization Award. Maria Angela Beatriz M. Mosqueda, with high honors, first semester. Silver L, fourth quarter.
Kevin Joshua D. Pacata, with honors, first semester, Organizational Award. Jancy Alparti Pasite, with honors, first semester, Achievement, fourth quarter. John Martin M. Pasitay, honors, first semester, Publications Award. Queenie L. Pagulo, L.O. Pagunsan, with honors, first semester, Gold L, fourth quarter. Sean Andre B. Pagunsan, with honors.